Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best toys is probably one of the most exciting and important purchases you'll make for a 6-year-old girl, as this is a pivotal age where imagination, creativity, and learning through play really blossom, and finding that perfect gift can feel like a quest to unlock endless hours of fun and developmental growth, ensuring she has engaging, age-appropriate options that will capture her attention and foster her unique interests, making this selection process a delightful journey into the world of childhood wonder and discovery. Number 5. Goopow Kids Camera Toys. Looking for the ideal gift for children aged 3 to 8? This upgraded digital camera is perfect for birthdays, holidays, or just because. It's made with safe, eco-friendly materials and features a user-friendly 2.0 LCD screen. This toy video camera delivers significantly improved photo definition compared to others on the market. It can record up to 1080p video and offers an 8x digital zoom, ensuring every wonderful moment is captured clearly. This device offers a variety of engaging functions beyond just taking pictures and videos. It includes fun puzzle games, some of which are motion-controlled, providing hours of entertainment for children. With a built-in rechargeable battery providing up to 2 hours of continuous use, it's simple for kids to start capturing memories. Just turn it on and let the fun begin. A 32GB SD card is included for plenty of storage. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy for children to carry anywhere. It even comes with a lanyard so they can wear it around their neck, encouraging them to explore and capture the world around them. Easily download photos and videos to a computer using the included card reader. This allows children to share their captured moments and creations with family and friends, fostering a sense of accomplishment. What we like? This camera is designed for little adventurers who love to capture their world. If you have a child aged 3 to 8 who enjoys documenting their experiences, this is a fantastic choice. Its durable cover and easy-to-use interface make it perfect for active kids who want to explore photography and videography. What people say? It's tiny enough and light enough for her to carry around and it not bother her at 5 years old. It's super easy for her to use on her own. And she loves using the front camera for selfies. Pictures actually turn out pretty good for what it is. She takes it on all of her trips now. It came with an SD card so it was ready to go. The camera doesn't use batteries and charges easily in any wall outlet. It has filters to take fun photos and my grandson lived exploring these. Number 4. Meland Toy Doctor Kit for Girls. Introducing the Meland Toy Doctor Kit, a fun and engaging way for your child to explore the world of medicine. This comprehensive set is designed for imaginative play. It includes a variety of realistic medical tools, a cute dog toy, and a doctor's coat and hat. Everything is conveniently stored in a portable carrying bag. This pretend play set helps children become familiar with medical tools and procedures. It can ease anxieties about doctor visits by allowing them to experience being a doctor or nurse in a fun way. With simulated tools and a dress-up costume, children can fully immerse themselves in role-playing. This fosters creativity, develops communication skills, and builds confidence as they care for their patients. This educational toy is an ideal gift for children aged 3 to 8 who dream of becoming doctors or dentists. It's perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion for pretend play. What we like? This doctor kit offers a wonderful way to introduce children to the medical field in a fun and non-intimidating way. If your child dreams of being a doctor or nurse, or if you want to help ease their fear of doctor visits, this set is ideal. The inclusion of a vet dog and dress-up costume enhances the role-playing experience. What people say? It includes a hat and gown, a sick puppy and various pretend medical gear. This came with so many pieces and different tools. Some of the tools even light up. Most of the tools light up or make sounds and it's a super interactive toy set. Number 3. Fuwidvia 3-pack Airplane Launcher Toys. Introducing the Fuwidvia 3-pack Airplane Launcher Toys, designed for endless outdoor adventures. Get ready for exciting flights and active play. Simply insert the wings, choose your flight mode, and load it onto the launcher. With a simple pull and trigger, watch these amazing toys soar. Experience incredible flights up to 49 feet. These lightweight yet durable foam planes offer high-performance free flight, perfect for outdoor fun. Made from safe, bendable foam, these toys are gentle on hands and feet. Plus, with colorful LED lights, the fun continues even after sunset. Looking for an ideal gift? These airplane toys are perfect for birthdays, holidays, and any occasion for kids aged 4 to 12. Encourage active play and create lasting memories. These aren't just toys, they're tools for developing hand-eye coordination, observation, and a sense of direction. It's a fantastic way to encourage kids to enjoy the outdoors. What we like. For active outdoor fun, this airplane launcher set is a winner. If you're looking for a way to get kids away from screens and enjoying the fresh air, these planes are perfect. They offer 2 flight modes and even LED lights for nighttime play, making them a versatile choice for energetic kids who love to play outside. What people say. The doll is well made with durable materials, perfect for active play. It comes with a variety of accessories that enhance imaginative play. The clothing on the doll is easy to change, which is great for little hands. Number 2. Hamourd RC Robot Toy. Introducing the Hamourd Robot, a fun and interactive toy designed for endless entertainment. It's packed with features to spark joy and imagination in kids. With dazzling LED eyes that can blink or stay lit, and a repertoire of songs, this robot is ready to perform. It moves with ease thanks to its tank-like tracks, allowing for flexible movement in any direction. Its unique design features a cute robot head and arms that move, atop a cool tank base. The smart voice function means it talks and sings, captivating young minds. Operating this toy is simple with the included 2.4 GHz remote control. It can perform automatic dance routines with a single button press, providing hours of engaging playtime. This robot is not just entertaining but also educational. It helps children develop operational skills and imagination, while the music stimulates language development. Looking for a unique gift? This robot is an excellent choice for birthdays or holidays. It's a fantastic alternative to other electronic pets and comes with everything you need. What we like. This robot offers interactive fun with its remote control capabilities and engaging features. If you're searching for a toy that combines entertainment with basic operational skills, this is a great option. Its ability to dance, sing, and move flexibly makes it a captivating companion for children who enjoy technology and imaginative play. What people say. It will provide hours of entertainment for your youngster as it spins around the room at a quick pace, while moving its arms and making noises. Its eyes even light up. The remote control comes with rechargeable batteries and controls the robot in every direction. The robot is able to tackle hardwood as well as carpet. The setup process was remarkably straightforward, that ensures even the youngest members of the family can navigate and operate these robots with ease. The simplicity of the controls fosters a sense of independence among the kids, which is a significant advantage. Number 1. Soyee Diamond Magnetic Building Blocks Princess Castle Set. Unleash your child's creativity with this magnetic tile set. They can build a magical princess world, fostering imagination and pretend play with princes and princesses. This 58-piece set features safe, durable ABS plastic tiles, including doors, windows, and stairs. Your child can construct their own winter castle and kingdom with these carefully selected parts. These magnetic blocks are compatible with other kits, making them perfect for extended play. They are ideal for home, road trips, or playdates at the park. This toy encourages screen-free STEAM learning as your child grows. It helps develop critical thinking, language, cognitive, motor, social, and emotional skills for ages 3 to 8. It's a delightful birthday or Christmas gift for any child aged 3 to 10. These sparkling tiles offer endless building possibilities and are also great for classroom settings. What we like. This magnetic building block set allows children to construct their own magical worlds. If your child loves princesses and enjoys creative building, this set is perfect for sparking their imagination. Its compatibility with other magnetic block sets means the possibilities for castle construction are virtually endless, offering hours of screen-free fun. What people say. The diamond-shaped tiles are beautiful and sparkly, making castle building even more exciting. My child was instantly engaged, creating her own winter kingdom with doors, windows, stairs, and endless imaginative stories with the prince and princess figures. The pieces feel sturdy and high quality, and I love that they're made from safe, food-grade ABS plastic. The set works perfectly with other magnetic tiles we already own, which makes playtime even more versatile. The magnets are strong and hold well, which makes building stable structures easy, even for little hands. It's not just fun, it's educational, too. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.